Well, somebody decided to check out my inner fender and make sure that it is all right.
He's in there. He's in there.
He opened it up and just dove in. Oh, hey! What are you doing? Huh?
He left himself right in there.
What are you doing in there?
Look at him.
What? He said, no, I ain't coming out of here.
Peanut butter?
He lifted his head. Huh? Just came to Jerry's and got my trailer. I got a little sneak peek of the Genesis, but I didn't bring my keys to the shop, so I couldn't go in to see it. It looks good. What else? I'm going to pick up this car I got, so you guys stay tuned. Check this thing out on this guy's trailer. It's like on a truck frame. That's crazy. It's windy as shit again. I'm trying to block the wind from my microphone. They're going to move some cars so they can get out my car. And then we'll see. We'll see what it is. What are you guys guessing? What do you think it is? You think it's a car? You think it's a truck? SUV? What is this? A stroller? A kid's stroller? The lower grill? Alright. Jackpot. Ball tires. So what we got? This is a 2005 F-150. It's a 5.4 liter Triton engine, which are known for the two-piece spark plugs that are junk. So I do want to check and see if it has Motorcraft plugs in it. I don't know what we're gonna do, but it needs tires the whole way around. I need a rim. This door needs fixed, and we need to service it. Oh, and it needs all the suspension parts up here in the front, because you see how far back that wheel is in the wheel well. It actually has that A-arm vent on top. I found the whole kit. You get everything brand new with a 10-year warranty for $115. So let's just replace them all. So we're gonna do that. Let me pop the engine. The engine sounds good on this thing. How many of y'all's jealous? I'm a Chevy guy, so I'm like, it's alright. Now I can just figure out how to unlatch this. And I do remember that the struts are bad on the hood. I see new hose clamps and stuff. I don't know though. Not in bad condition. We're missing that clamp here. Still not too bad. You want some stuff in this place. Don't see anything to look about in here. It all looks good. Yeah. So, alright, let's get her loaded up.
sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, then go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you wanna be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
For those of you who said, do I have something with my suspension that it doesn't squat when you load it down? Look at it now. Loaded. That's just a heavy load. Not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little nervous. This is a load. Better strap down though. I'll tell you what, I'm towing her, but it's definitely a load. It's hard on my truck, I can tell you that. So, oh my. Yeah, you really gotta run her to get her to move. So, the old 5.3's getting her done. I'll tell you what the first thing is I'm gonna do on that thing. I don't know if you guys noticed those wiper blades. Those metallic red wiper blades. They have to go. We need some regular wiper blades on there. You can probably see them. Well, obviously this was a high school kid that had this, because nobody in their right mind puts bright colored wiper blades on their truck unless they're in high school. So that's my observation. I need tires the whole way around. I need one rim. I'm gonna look online. I might try to go with aftermarket wheels and tires, but I want to find something that has good tires on it, and I want to take that spare off and put, you know, different wheels on it. So we'll see. All the tires are shot. They're all bald on the edges, except for that spare that's on there. So we'll see how that works out. And I know I said I'm going cheap this week. I'm gonna get something cheap. I'll be real honest with you. I feel like I got this really cheap, but I do have some money in it. But for a truck, like, I wasn't gonna overbid on it, and I just set a price and I sat and watched, and I didn't get outbid, so it's mine. So I don't feel bad about it. Whatever, we'll get a cheap build next time, I guess.
Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn.
So I got into the truck and was looking around in the back of it, and there was an unopened card under the back seat with a $10 Sheets card in it. Jackpot! I'm gonna go out and guess that this guy's name was Edward B. Actually, I know what his full name is because all of his information's in there. But it was probably a young kid from what it looks like. I don't know, I might remove all these stickers. There's a 4-wheel drive sticker underneath the 4-wheel drive sticker. And it's not even on there that great. Yeah, so, and I don't like Realtree stuff, so we're gonna de-pimp this ride.
You know what we're gonna do now?
No.
Unpin your auto.
Better. This one ain't falling off like the other one was. Hey, I'm gonna cover my 4-wheel drive sticker with a 4-wheel drive sticker. Stupid. It's stupid. Don't do it. Don't do this. There's another thing I noticed. I'm definitely going to Johnny's. You pull it now. Where'd the antenna go? Do they screw down in there? Do any of you guys know if that's just like a screw-on antenna or not? Let me know in the comments so I can figure that out. So if I can just go get one at Johnny's, I will, because they have a bunch of these trucks. So I don't know what we're doing for wheels and tires. I'm gonna look and see. They're just steel rims with hubcaps, and one of them is a spare, so there's one missing. So I got to figure out what I'm gonna put on it, and we're gonna try to spice it up and make it look a little better. I don't know what I'm doing with this grill yet. I thought about taking this mesh off, taking that center grill out and painting it black, because if you look at it, it is painted red inside and is faded very badly. So we might do that in black. Honestly, I'd love to do the whole front bumper in black plasti dip and back the side and the back bumper, but if it makes it look good, maybe. I don't know. We'll see where we're at on this. If I'm going to spice it up, make it look a little different, or what I'm going to do on it. So I got my hands full right now, but I already ordered I got both sides actually, upper control arms, ball joints, control arms, and it was the whole kit. The lower control arm was completely different. It wasn't in the kit, and it's expensive. So we're gonna try to get the lower control arm at Johnny's. Right here's the main damage. You see the end of that frame where the A-arm goes in is bent. Not that bad, but it's like straight going across. So that's not that bad at all. Like, I'm still shocked this thing was totaled. So now I gotta get myself cleaned up because I'm taking the wife out to eat. And she doesn't know where yet. Do ya?
No.
Why am I taking you out to eat?
To celebrate my new job.
She got a new job. What are you doing?
The job that I've been wanting for a very long time.
What's that? What's that?
Full-time personal trainer position. And pretty close by. Can't beat that.
Mm-hmm. You train me any day.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah. Off you go eat. Look how pretty she is. Oh, she's so pretty. I'm gonna stop and get wiper blades for that truck before we go, because this things look like shit. This place has amazing food. It's like fine dining, it's expensive too. What are you doing there?
Lemon in the water. It's good for you. Detoxifying.
These are amazing.
They are.
Done.
Yeah.
And of course, Advanced Auto did not have the cheaper wiper blades for this, so I had to get the more expensive curved ones for it. But, oh well. Anything to get rid of these neon chrome hideous wipers on this thing. And I gotta do it. I want to do it before the end of this episode because I hate them. So let's do it. I don't care who you are, these are not okay. These are hideous. It looks 10 times better. Anyway, that being said, this is the end of this episode. So, go check out some of my other videos, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out!